Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to learn the use of capital letters, full stop and question mark. Children, it is in your primer book, page number 1770. Children, you know a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Yes? Now, let us see. Let us look at this sentence. The dog is barking. See, started with capital letter T. The dog is barking and ended with a full stop. Now, let us look at the next sentence. The cow gives milk. Children, have I written it correct? No, it is not correct. The first letter should be capital and it is a sentence. So it should end with a full stop. Now let us make it correct. Now children, look here. Now can you see? Now this is the correct sentence. Capital letter. The cow gives milk. Full stop. Now this is correct. Now we have to learn the use of question mark also. Now let us see. What is your name? Is this written correctly? No, it is not written correctly. Let us write it correctly. Children, so children, can you see this? The first letter should be capital letter. What is your name? It is a question. So question mark. Now let us see, look at this sentence. Where are you going? Is it correct? It is not written correctly. Let us see. Where are you going? Again, it is a question. Where? Capital letter. First letter is capital letter. Where are you going? So children, when a sentence starts, it starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop if it is a sentence. But if it is a question, it starts with capital letter and ends with a question mark. Now, let us look into your book. The first word of a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. If it is a question, it ends with a question mark. Now for example, this is a chair. It is not written correctly. This, it will start with capital letter. So this is a chair, full stop. Now the second sentence is, this is a book. Again, it is written wrong. This starts with capital letter T. This is a book, ends with a full stop. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. is a question. Is that a bell? It is not written properly. So I will be capital. Is that a bell? Question mark. It is done here in the book only, children. Is this a mug? It is not written correctly. The correct sentence is capital letter I. Is this a mug? Question mark. Now children, there is a small exercise in the book. Let us do it. Look here on the board, children. All of you, look on the board. The small exercise done is, it is this is a rat. So the correct sentence is capital letter T. This is a rat. Full stop. Yes? Now the next is, that is a star. That is a star. So again, it will start with capital letter and end with a full stop. That is a star. Okay. Now, next is this a pen? Is this a pen? The sentence is incorrect because it will start with a capital letter and end with a question mark. Is this a pen? So children, can you see? Is that a horse? The next sentence is that a horse? Now, the sentence is not correct. So, starting with capital letter. Is that a horse? Is that a horse? Question mark. So children, I hope you have understood where to use capital letter, where to use a full stop and where to use a question mark. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. And when it is a question, it starts with capital letter and ends with a question mark. Thank you, children.